Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the ChatGPT app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the ChatGPT app. If it's not working, you have to follow these steps. Just open it, okay, and log in it. If it's not work, then you have to press and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button, okay. Then here you have to scroll down and see for the storage option. Just click on the storage and then you have to click on the clear data option and you can clear the data of the app, okay, from here. After that, here you have to open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not work, you have to check for the update. So here you have to go to the Play Store, just search for the Chat GPT, okay, Chat GPT. Then here we can see, and if update found, update it from here, and that's done. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.